Have you ever wondered how scientists determine if a certain exposure increases the likelihood of an outcome? Today, we're diving into relative risk to understand how it helps compare probabilities between different groups. First, let's review the concept of risk. Risk can be expressed as a fraction or percentage and measures the probability of an outcome in a group. Now, on to relative risk, RRR. It's the ratio comparing the probability of an event between two groups, one exposed and one unexposed to a factor. For example, if we look at a study, relative risk specifically compares the probabilities of an event occurring in treatment versus control groups, helping us understand associations better. It's important to also consider absolute risk, which, relative risk hackers, is the actual probability of an event. Relative and absolute risks help give a full picture of how much exposure affects outcomes. Relative risk is crucial in case control studies where the odds ratio, an estimate of relative risk, helps assess the association between exposure and outcome. Understanding these concepts allows us to better interpret research findings and make informed decisions based on comparative group probabilities. So, you now have a grasp of how relative risk helps in comparing the likelihood of outcomes between groups. How do you think this knowledge can be applied in your daily life or decision-making?